Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Christina, and today I'm going to talk to you guys all about how to lose belly fat. I know we all have belly fat, and sometimes we have more than others, and that is fine. We are all made in God's image, and I just want to say that in the beginning. If you have belly fat, that is okay. We need some belly fat. But if you have more belly fat than others, or you have just extra, that is okay. But I'm going to tell you guys some tips on how to lose belly fat if you guys want to lose belly fat. So let's get into the video. Number 1 is eat soluble fiber. I'm going to read this from my phone just because I want to tell you exactly what soluble fiber is and like word for word what Google says. Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel that helps slow down food as it passes through our digestive system. So that basically is saying, like, if we eat the soluble fiber, we'll feel more full if we eat it. So naturally, you're going to eat less if you feel full. So it slows down our digestive system to the point where, like, we're feeling less hungry. We're not feeling as hungry. So it automatically helps us lose weight and helps us lose body fat. Examples of soluble fiber: fruits, veggies, legumes, oats, and barley. Those are some examples of soluble fiber that will help you in your weight loss journey, in your fat loss journey. It will help you lose that fat if you're eating those soluble fibers. So fruits, veggies, barley, legumes, and oats. Make sure that you are having those in your diet. Number 2, and this is kind of obvious, at least for me, because I knew this, I've done this for a long time, but if you cut out alcohol, you'll lose the weight and you'll lose the body fat if you cut out alcohol. Alcohol can lead to body fat. It can. It can just lead to you gaining weight and getting more body fat if you drink a lot of alcohol, because alcohol can lead to weight gain and body fat. You may not realize it at the time, but if you're gaining weight and you do drink alcohol, especially excessive alcohol and just drinking alcohol all the time, it can lead to weight gain. So cut out alcohol. Cut it out. If you do drink, you can just have a glass and be done. Or cut it out completely to lose the body fat. Alcohol can cause excess of fat storage around your waist. It stores an excess of fat, so that would lead to body fat. So just cut it out or drink less alcohol and you will see a difference with your body fat percentage and just your weight gain. Number 3 is eat high in protein foods. If you want to lose body fat, eat high in protein foods. It will help you so much, and I talk about that all the time. Eating high in protein foods, I promise it will help you. It helps you lose weight. It helps you lose body fat. It just helps overall with all of our fitness goals. Leads back to protein. So make sure that you are eating enough protein because it will help you lose body fat. I'm going to read a thing that I found, how high in protein intake helps, and they say it better than I could ever. It was online. It says high in protein intake increases the release of the fullness hormone peptide, which decreases appetite and promotes fullness. So if you're eating more protein, you're going to feel more full. Protein fills you up. So if you naturally are feeling more full just from eating the protein, you'll eat less, so you'll lose more body fat because you're eating less. Protein also raises your metabolic rate. There we go. And it helps you retain muscle during your weight loss journey. So as you're losing weight, as you're trying to lose body fat, eating protein helps you retain muscle by also increasing your metabolic rate. So some examples of protein: meat, fish, dairy, eggs, whey protein, nuts, beans. There's so many protein ideas, and you can go, I said this in one of my other videos, you can go on my TikTok and I have plenty of protein ideas for snacks, for meals. Go and get those ideas and they will help you with meal planning and getting everything that you need for your meal. I promise it will help so much. If you are eating protein, you will lose the body fat. You 100% will lose body fat if you are eating protein, because the protein will help you retain the muscle mass and help you automatically just start losing the weight. I realized when I was losing body fat, whenever I was losing weight, it did help eating the protein. I ate protein breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Make sure that you are eating the protein. It will help you lose the body fat, and in place of the body fat, it will help you gain the muscle. A lot of us think that, like, oh, we have to work out in order to lose weight, in order to lose the body fat. We have to work out. That's what we have to do. Yes, working out helps you some, but it's 80% nutrition. And I know I've said that before, but it's 80% nutrition, 80% nutrition, 20% exercise. It's really all about what you put in your body. You have to have healthy foods. You have to have protein. You have to have those whole foods that's going to help you lose the body fat but gain the muscle. Because that's the end goal, right? Most of us, that's the end goal. Like, we want to replace the body fat with the muscle. So we need to eat the protein in order to be able to do that. We can't just be like, oh, I don't need protein. I just need to excessively work out and I'll lose all the muscle. Or I'll lose all the body fat. No, we need to eat a well-balanced diet. We need to have a well-balanced lifestyle. I don't even like saying the word diet. We like to have a well-balanced lifestyle, and we're eating good foods, we're eating protein, we're eating fruits, vegetables, legumes, all the things that help us with our fat loss. And we're also exercising on top of that. Don't excessively exercise to get the body fat off, because it really is 80% what you put in your body. So ask yourself every single day, what are you putting in your body? Because that will answer so many questions of, like, why you're not, if you're not losing the fat, why you're not losing it. It will help 100%. It will help you so much if you just ask yourself, why am I not losing the fat? Why am I not losing weight? Why am I not losing fat? It may be that you're not getting the proper nutrition that you're getting. So make sure that you are getting the proper nutrition in order to be able to lose the weight and lose the fat. Number 5, and this can be hard for a lot of us, is reducing stress. There are so many stressful situations in life. There's work, you have kids, you have so much going on that a lot of us stay under stress. So in reality, it's hard to lose weight, it's hard to lose fat if you have a lot of stress. So make sure that you are reducing that stress. Stress can make you gain weight and gain body fat by triggering the adrenal glands in your body. It produces cortisol, which is also known as the stress hormone. And if you have high cortisol, that will lead to an increased appetite, which will lead to more fat storage because you have a way more increased you have way increased your, I can't even think, what am I thinking of? You increase your appetite, which drives the force of more fat storage because you're eating more. So reduce your stress so that your cortisol levels stay lower, so that hormone will not work in overdrive and make you gain the weight. Make sure that you are, just reduce your stress, whether that's with yoga, whether that's jogging, whether that's working out, whatever that is, make sure that you are reducing it. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment any other videos you'd like to see below, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.